Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode with a Soundpeats S5. And to do this we'll need to open a case. Now remove both of the earbuds from the case and now they should enter pairing mode. We can check it out on my phone right here. Here we have them and we can pair our phone to it. Now if you have a problem and you want to connect them with other device while it's paired to another, you might need to perform the factory reset on them as there's no strict pairing mode. So place them back in a case. Now close the device. I'm gonna bring up my iPhone right here just to show you. Now open the case again and hold both of the buttons right here for the time until they start flashing in the different lights like this. Now we can let go of the buttons and you should see them on your other device. Click on it. Or actually, let's remove them because that's how you pair them. And they're connected to my iPhone instead of the Android. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.